actually think that the garment which has been worn by the showstopper is something really newer? Because I feel this has been done to death, and this is definitely what Kriti should be walking the ramp with as a showstopper.
I feel a little black dress never goes out of fashion, sir. I feel a little black dress never goes out of fashion. And I don't know about you, but I really felt very good wearing this. I think it fits me really perfectly. And while walking till here, I did get a few compliments.
No, but
so-
this is something which has been done to death. I mean, it's available in the Lokhandwala markets for the last 3 years.
Really?
I'm really sorry to say this, but I feel if Kriti is walking the ramp, she should be dressed in something which is totally elaborate and something which is totally newer.
But
I'm sorry.
it's a high street fashion brand.
Yeah, but
It's
this
not
has
a
been
designer
done to
garment,
death. No,
right?
there's nothing new in this. Kriti, I'm sorry.
No, but. Ah. You want me to answer that?
So anyway,
No,
Lokhandwala is the LA of Lokhandwala Andheri is the LA of fashion.
No, but
capital.
adding to that, I never said we are reinventing fashion. I did not say we're reinventing fabric. I did not say we're doing something that's never been done before. I said, like Kriti rightly said, I think a little black dress is something which is sexy. It's something that every woman wears, and it's a classic. It's like, the denim that you're wearing. Black jeans have been done to death, but that doesn't mean, oh, well, Virat wore black jeans when he walked the ramp, and I still think it's cool. I think certain things are classic, and I think we would like to leave it that way. Yeah, thanks.
Why the name is mistaken as such? I mean, what is the specific reason for that purpose?
Firstly, I love it. And secondly, I think usually what happens is you come up with a brand name and then you go around that thinking कि अच्छा ये कैसे जाएगा हमारे brand के साथ, हमारे values के साथ. I think in this case it happened the other way around. We already felt that this brand was something which was for a new age girl, for a strong, independent girl who likes to bend the rules, who likes to live her life on her own terms. And usually in our society, those girls are mistaken. So it kind of really goes very well.
किस किस का फैशन आपको इंस्पायर्ड करता है खासकर बॉलीवुड में एक्टर्स की बात करें तो
पहले तो अच्छा हुआ आपने खुद ही बोल दिया कि क्लीशे है. But there are a lot of them, yeah. I think I really like the way Deepika dresses. I love the way Kangana experiments a lot. I think it's very important to just go out of the box and do something. Sonam, of course, is someone who really has a great style. Among the men, there are lots of them actually. I particularly like Shah Rukh Sir's style because I think he's very laid back and he's just so comfortable in what he's wearing. You know, he's never wearing the clothes. Like, he's just in them and they're just looking good on him. It's like that.